Hey tubes, what's going on? What I'm going to show you here is a quick video clip that I had recorded while I was at Sharkie 626's house fixing his AC, which you have already seen in the video emergency AC repair only 3 hours away. There's a link in the prescription. Um, in that video, which I recorded for YouTuber Dynatrack, we had emailed back and forth previously regarding this. I happened to mention I was taking a trip up there. And while he has his Christmas stuff out, he said, "Oh, ask Sharky about his North Pole sign." And Sharky had a video about that where the top bulb in it was no longer working, and he showed that the socket was like burnt. So I said to Sharky, "Oh, I want to see that and make a video of that." So you'll see a quick clip of the air conditioner and the repair that was done, and then you will see segueing into the North Pole sign, and then of course we'll wrap this up. Hey Dynatrack, JK18, Sharkie 627, AC's fixed. I'll show you right quick. Tape I didn't think was going to hold, but whatever, it's there. Wire nutted a piece on because it was too short. Checked everything with that, it was good, like an inch up on the wire. Everything's all done. New terminals, new capacitor, nice and clean, starts and runs beautifully. So we're all set with that. Took a look at the North Pole sign. Thank you again for reminding me. I'm just going to keep this one clipped. Sorry for wasting your time. But beg pardon. You're Gen X, so we know. So we got the thing here. I figured out the socket and what happened. There are two bulbs. Here's the working one, obviously. Wire goes in. It's one of these type sockets. Okay. And then it has that cap. I'll show you the knackered one. This end of it, obviously, was where it went in. So here's the knackered part. And you can see it's burnt. So I was able to take it apart. As you see, it punctures the wire on the socket. This one has a metal clip, okay, and if you look, you can see right there, there's one pin, but this one is all burnt and fucked. So that's not going to make a decent enough connection. The end of the wire goes in that little receptacle, folds over, and then when you drive this little block in that, we're all set. I'm going to take this piece with me back home to Long Island. So this is a candelabra base type. It's got this metal clip on it, which I guess I can take off of this pretty much. And that's pretty much the deal. So if you have a replacement socket like that, I'm pretty sure the Shark would be able to stick the wire in and drive that home. Otherwise, I'm going to have to make another trip up here before Malcolm Xmas to fix this thing. So thank you very much for your time. Let me know, and we'll figure everything out from there. Thanks again. Take care. So there you have it. The end result with all of this is Dynatrack will be shipping a replacement socket to Sharky, and Sharky is going to repair the North Pole sign himself. Whether or not there'll be a video about that, you know, in and of itself, I don't know, but I'm sure he'll eventually show all of the lights out for the holidays and that, and of course you will see it working in full force, provided everything goes well, and I really can't see any reason why not. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.